So Gabby, I hear in the magnetism kit that there's parts where I can actually levitate magnets. So can you show me the parts for this?
So you would need a ring magnet and wood.
Oh, and what do you do with your ring magnets in the wooden stick?
So in the ring magnet, there's a south pole and a north pole. And so what you want to do, if this is the south pole and the north pole, for the next one you want to have the north pole facing downwards so it can repel. And that's
Oh,
repel each other.
wow. Can I fit them all on the wooden pole?
Yes, you can. You just need to make sure it's in the right side because if not, then they will like attract each other.
Oh. Oh, that's a lot of fun. Wow. Is there anything else that I should try with this?
Yes, you can even play hockey with it.
What?
So it's the same as how it works with the stick. How can I? And then you can play hockey.
That's fun. Thank you, Gabby.
Thank you.